All right, what is this? Pam saw this. We were driving by.
We drove by and I saw all these little hut-huts.
An antique thing.
Those aren't hut-huts. What am I thinking? Hut-huts. That's not even like it. It doesn't even go over their head.
Retail. If you see anything you like for yourself, you can get it. Antique booths.
Yeah. There was an old helmet.
Oh, was there?
I try to keep them away from it, but they weren't.
When you go in,
Yeah.
make your first left. When you go in, the first
This is kind of cool.
right is actually Jen Sanborn. Because she has a space here for a long time, and she's on the porch on the right. That's her spot too.
It's a Capitol building. It's an ashtray though. That's actually pretty cool.
Go into what kind of stuff is in it I'd like to look at. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Hey, Jack. That's me. How are you doing? I see you everywhere.
I am everywhere.
Me too, apparently. If I see you everywhere.
Yeah.
Nothing to speak of. Really. It's the first time I'm doing it. Yeah, isn't that great? I would do that on the first. It's got a side, but it's got a grass.
You got booze in there?
No, not yet. Not yet. I'm gonna get these three things.
Whoops.
Ugh.
I want to break that.
I know. I want to be careful.
Whoop.
Whoa.
I almost just. What she got here? $3. $4.07.
Is this yours as well?
Yeah.
Over here?
That's mine. This is my friend's. I'm just.
Oh,
getting it
oh,
right
okay.
now. But
All
that's
right.
okay, and that's mine. Yeah.
Okay, I'll just look real quick before.
Okay. I can do 20 on that.
Okay.
Reminds me of the Titanic.
I know, right? We got some sprites. You see anything you like, babe?
I might walk by it.
Yeah. Okay. Oop, sorry.
Hers comes to 11.
11.
Yeah.
Do you have change for 20?
I'm sure she does. Give
Okay.
me 1 second.
Sure.
And then we can get breakfast after.
Yeah. Thank you for wrapping them
I
up
can help
for
you
me.
with anything. Just let me know.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You have a
very
good day.
much. Thanks. You too.
Cool. That was neat. I like the Capitol building ashtray. That's really cool. For $3, it's got to be worth more than that, right? I would think.
Fancy.
We'll try it.
It's good.
All right, it is Tuesday night, and I am here in the eBay room pulling orders. I think we only have like 3 things to pull tonight. So a little bit slower sales day, but we got some decent stuff going out. The first thing we got going out is actually up here. We've had this since last winter, and this is a seasonal item. So that's why it's moving, I'm sure. But it's a homemade Afghan, and we've actually sold a few of these things. We sold most of them. We haven't sold one for a while, but we sold them like last winter. And you can get really good money for these things. A lot of times you can find them at thrift stores. That's where we found them anyway. I think we sold one last year. It was like for 40 or 50 bucks that we got at a thrift store for like $1 or $2. It's crazy. People will pay good money for these things, surprisingly. They're by no means a fast mover. They might move a little better this time of year, coming into the cold weather and the cooler weather anyway. But yeah, so we got this one. I think we picked it up at a thrift for like $1 or $2, and we sold it for $19 plus shipping. And this is a really small blanket. It's almost like a baby blanket. It's not very big. So that's why it didn't bring a whole lot of money. But even for this little one, you know, we got a decent profit out of it. So pretty excited about that. Kind of an item that you wouldn't think is worth a whole lot of money, but it is. Make sure they're in good condition, obviously. Sometimes they can be kind of ratty and gross, but this one's very, very good condition. And the colors are cool too. The colors are really good. I think the color probably matters a lot as well with these things. Glad to sell this thing and get it out of here. We sold a Star Trek computer game. I think it's in this box here. We have all kinds of Star Trek stuff. I gotta make sure that it's the right one. We bought a whole bunch of Star Trek stuff from this guy named Joe, from a collection that he had, and some of it I didn't expect to be worth a lot of money, but some of it is. We have this PC game from like the early 90s here, and it's actually floppy disks, and it's Star Trek Judgment Rights. Okay. So let's see if we can find it here. We've got quite a few of them. There it is. It's this one right here. So we picked up a whole bunch of this stuff, the Star Trek stuff and collectible stuff, plus a whole bunch of other stuff in these bins from Joe. Paid $100 for all of it. I would assume we've got at least all of our money back already on that deal. But this sold last night for $30 plus shipping. So awesome, awesome score there. Keep an eye out for this one. It's from 1993. Star Trek Judgment Rights. And it's actually, I'll pull it out so you guys can see it. Gotta make sure everything's there, obviously. But this is what it looks like. It comes with a little booklet, and then it comes with the floppy disk. I remember these things from back in the day. This is crazy. Yeah, it comes with the floppy disks. So pretty cool. I was really excited to get that price. And it sold like relatively fast too. I think I've only had this listed for like a week or two. But when I was comping these out, some of them are only worth, you know, like $10 of these Star Trek PC games. But I comped this one out, and I saw one had recently sold for the exact price that I got. One had recently sold for $30 plus shipping. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to just take a shot. I'm going to list mine for that and hope for the best. So that's what I did, and it sold, like I said, within a week or two. So really awesome. I'm excited about that. And finally, we sold another copy of Bananagrams. This is actually missing one tile, I believe. But just listed this the other day. Got an offer in for $5 plus shipping. So we took it. And this is going out the door. We picked it up for 50 cents. So been selling through these things pretty well. Pretty popular game, I guess. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday evening and I just got home and I'm here in the eBay room and I'm gonna pull some more orders. We only have 3 things going out tonight, so not a whole lot to ship, which is kind of nice. Gives us a little break. Obviously would love to make sales. Lots of sales every day, but it's been kind of crazy lately, so I'm not complaining. Few things going out. The first thing is right over here in this bin. It is an NES game. It's not that one. Not that one. Here it is. We have 3 of them. 3 NES games, and this is the one that sold. Just listed this the other day. It is Nes Excitebike. We picked this up from Joe. Big lot of stuff from Joe. And paid, who knows, pennies on the dollar for it. And what did it sell for? It sold for $3.99 plus shipping. Next, we sold this little folding knife here that we have. This is actually, this sold today, and a note came with the purchase, and it's from a viewer. It says, I am a viewer. This will go handy for unboxing my packages. You guys are my favorite eBay YouTubers. Keep on doing what you're doing. Oh, well, that means a lot. Thank you so much, Ryan. This is going out to, great name, by the way. So this is going out to Ryan. I hope you enjoy, Ryan. Thank you so much for the support. That really does mean a lot. The fact that we are your favorite eBay YouTubers. That's pretty crazy. So thank you, Ryan. That really does mean a lot to Pam and I. And I hope you enjoy your knife. I hope it opens a lot of packages. Then the last thing we sold today is right here. Everything's right here in these two bins right here. It is this original Xbox wired controller. It's in good condition. It works good, and everything's there. It works great, and it's in decent condition. I forget where we got. I think we got this at a garage sale for $1 or $2, and we sold it today for $9.99 plus shipping. It ended up coming out to be $17.99 shipped, which is pretty good. Actually, that's a really good price for that, because usually they go for around $15 free shipping. So that's a good price for that. I'm happy with that. And yeah, that's all we got going out today. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you enjoy the rest of your day or evening or morning, whenever you're watching this. And we'll see you guys later. Bye.